22.7 is celebrated as Pi Approximation Day. National Pi Day is celebrated on March 14th of every year. Pi is the more interesting symbol in mathematics. The important facts about Pi and its usage will be showcased by our national students. I welcome them. Thank you all.
Good morning to all. National Pi Day on 14th March recognizes the mathematical constant pi. The value of pi is approximately 3.14 or 22 by 7. Good morning to all. The idea of Pi Day originated with physics Larisha. He organized the first Pi Day celebration at the San Francisco Exploratorium in 1988. Good morning to all. National Pi Day is celebrated on March 14 around the world. Pi is the symbol used in mathematics to represent a constant, the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. This relationship is true for all circles, regardless of size, which is also Albert Einstein's birthday. Thank you. Good morning to all. Pi was founded by the Larisha in 1988. Later in 2009, the United States of Representatives supported the designation of Pi Day. UNESCO 43rd General Conference designated Pi Day as the International Day of Mathematics in 2009, November 2019. Thank you to all.
Theoretical physicist Albert Einstein was born on Pi Day. Simon Weiss William Jones, a British mathematician, introduced the pi symbol of 1706. Good morning to all. The Egyptians calculated the area of the circle by a formula that gave the approximate value of 3.1605.5. The first calculation of pi was done by Archimedes of Syracuse. He is one of the greatest mathematicians of ancient world. Thank you.
Some fact about pi. Pi was estimated independently in China around 400 AD. Pi is an irrational number. Pi is a transcendental number. Any numerical expression for pi is infinite. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Pi is an abbreviation of the very of a very. Pi approximation day observed on July 22. The fraction 22 by 7 is a common approximation of pi. 2 pi day is also known as that day is observed on June 28. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Pi symbol was devised by the British mathematician William Jones in 1706 to represent the ratio, and later it was popularized by the Swiss mathematician Leonhard Euler. 22 July is observed as Pi Approximation Day, as the date coincides with the fractional value of pi is 22 by 7. Good morning to all. The value of pi is approximately 3.14159, but it has been computed to over a trillion beyond the decimal point with the help of computer. Some people can memorize tens of thousands of the digits of pi. The world record of memorizing the digits of pi is over 70,000. Now I am here to tell about the pi approximate value of up to 100 digits. Pi equal to 3.14159. Thank you.